It seems like just a few weeks ago we all had pretty normal lives. There's been crazy times before, but nothing like this. The Sunset dealerships have been overrun with requests for new cars, trucks, SUVs, and crossovers. And we know that new rig could make everyone feel good. But not at the risk of your health and safety. So because of those serious health concerns, Sunset is asking for a favor. Please, wait just a little longer. Every single vehicle and every Sunset inventory is being cleaned and sanitized, making sure every safety inspection item meets or exceeds requirements for warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. Check Sunset websites and Facebook pages for updates, or call, text, chat, or email. Every Sunset service facility is open and safe. But that new vehicle will just have to wait a little longer. Thank you for your patience, loyalty, and understanding. And in the meantime, stay safe, and we'll get through this.